Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel Ruchipa's Recipes. Today's recipe is healthy and tasty Urad Dal Ladoo. After watching the video, please don't forget to subscribe our channel and click on the bell icon and select the all option. Then only you can watch our upcoming videos and also share our videos with your friends and relatives. Now let's go into our video. Health benefits in black urad dal. It improves digestion, it protects heart, it improves bone health, it strengthens nervous system, it controls diabetes, it increases energy level, it is good for skin and hair.